Pedagogical Skills for Primary Teachers Part 4 Advanced Teaching Strategies. Welcome back to this professional learning series. In our last session, we explored essential teaching approaches for primary educators. Today, we will take a step further by diving into advanced teaching strategies that foster deeper learning and engagement. आज के सेशन में हम कवर करेंगे हायर ऑर्डर थिंकिंग स्किल्स, एक्सपीरियंशियल या हैंड्स ऑन लर्निंग, स्टोरी टेलिंग एंड रीडिंग अलाउड, प्रोजेक्ट बेस्ड लर्निंग, मल्टीग्रेड एंड डिफरेंशिएटेड लर्निंग। चलिए शुरू करते हैं हायर ऑर्डर थिंकिंग स्किल्स से। हायर ऑर्डर थिंकिंग स्किल्स और HOTS आर कॉम्प्लेक्स cognitive abilities that go beyond rote memorization. They enable students to process information critically, solve problems creatively, and make logical decisions. To incorporate HOTS into your teaching, consider using these strategies: modeling, explicit instruction, think aloud, graphic organizers, group discussions, jigsaw method, peer review, think, pair, share, open-ended questions, debates, project-based learning. These techniques not only encourage deeper thinking but also help students develop essential life skills. Experiential hands-on learning. Experiential or hands-on learning is a teaching approach where students learn by actively participating in experiments, activities, and projects. This method emphasizes direct experience and practical application. मिसाल के तौर पे आर्ट प्रोजेक्ट्स, साइंस एक्सपेरिमेंट्स, गार्डनिंग एक्टिविटीज वगैरह। By involving students in hands-on tasks, you make learning more engaging, memorable, and meaningful. Storytelling and reading aloud. Next, we have storytelling and reading aloud. Powerful methods for promoting language skills, creativity, and imagination. Storytelling examples. Sharing personal examples to teach life lessons. Creating and telling original stories to convey specific concepts. Retelling traditional folk tales to preserve cultural heritage. Encouraging students to craft and share their own stories. कुछ मिसालें रीडिंग अलाउड की: रीडिंग पिक्चर बुक टू यंग children for literacy development, reading chapter books to older students to build fluency and comprehension, exploring various genres such as poetry or historical fiction to broaden understanding, or using audiobooks or digital text to engage students with diverse learning preferences. Both storytelling and reading aloud bring lessons to life and create a sense of connection. Project-based learning. Project-based learning or PBL is an innovative strategy where students engage in real-world, open-ended projects. This method fosters critical thinking, problem-solving, and collaboration. Examples of project-based learning include designing and building a mock bridge with materials like straws, organizing a science or book fair, collecting and curating stamps, coins, or historical artifacts. Project-based learning encourages students to take ownership of their learning and apply their knowledge creatively. Multigrade and differentiated learning. In multigrade teaching, one teacher instructs students from 2 or more grade levels within a single classroom. This approach, often used in inclusive settings, requires differentiated instructions to meet the diverse learning needs. Instructional strategies for multigrade teaching, जैसा कि creating activity hub, focus on specific skill, group work, forming mixed grade teams to encourage peer learning. Organizational strategy. Flexible grouping. Adjusting groups based on activity requirements, classroom layout, designing spaces for whole class instruction, small groups, and individual learning. By effectively managing multi-grade classrooms, teachers can provide a rich, inclusive learning experience. Thank you for joining us in exploring these advanced teaching strategies. By incorporating these methods into your practice, you can inspire students to think critically, collaborate effectively, and achieve their full potential. In our next session, we will continue building on these strategies to further enhance your teaching toolkit. मिलते हैं अगले सेशन में।